Hello and welcome to lesson number 19. Today we'll try to answer the question, what will you do on the weekend? So this also means that what will you do next weekend? Okay, so the aim of the lesson is to learn sentences to talk about next weekend. So let's get started. So we can say, next weekend, again, voice up, I'll go to the beach. Down. Next weekend, I'll go to the beach. Or you can say, on the weekend, it means, of course, next one, right? I'll go to the beach. Okay? And I will, okay? I will. So they both will become shorter when we speak, all right? So we can say, I'll. Okay, so in the end we will use I'll, not I will, but both are okay. All right, okay. Then you can say, I'll go there by car. I will go there by car. This is there. Okay, there. I will, and as when you speak, I'll go there by car. I'll go there with my friends. Okay, so friends, all right, you know, d, z, so friends. We'll go for a boat ride. Okay, with the friends, you could go for a boat ride. So sitting in a boat and then exploring the sea. Okay, maybe you can see some big fish, whales, dolphins. Okay, then you can say, we'll go fishing and swimming. We'll go fishing a little higher here and swimming. We'll go fishing and swimming. If you know swimming, okay? And of course fishing maybe, depends. Or you could play some games also, right? In the evening, go up, we'll see the sunset. So the sun is going down and it will be dark very soon. So generally sunsets are very beautiful. Yeah. And you can say, we will take beautiful photos. Okay, again, will. So now you must realize we use will for future, and this is about next weekend. So we should use will. Photos or photos, okay? Because of, right, oh. So we'll take beautiful photos. Okay? Then we will have a barbecue. Okay? So barbecue is you have fire and you grill your vegetables. Very healthy indeed and tasty too. Okay? Then we will have a barbecue. Barbecue. Sometimes the spelling could also be Q. Okay? So it's just a difference between American and British spelling. You can use both. Okay? And then you can say, we'll sing and dance. You know, maybe your friends might carry a guitar or drums, you know, you might, or just listen to songs, okay, or sing songs by yourselves, okay. You will have a lot of fun, okay. And once you're done, you can say, what about you? Yeah, this question, I've been using this question since the first lesson. Okay, so this question is very useful. You can always use it while talking with other people. So let's see what we have in the end. Okay, the question is, what will you do on the weekend? Go down. So on the weekend, I'll go to the beach. So I'm using all now shorter versions, okay? Contraction, I'll, all here, I'll, okay? Or will. I'll go there by car with my friends. So don't forget z, okay? And this is there, not there, there, okay? We'll go for a boat ride, Okay. Also, so new word for adding more information. Also, we'll go fishing and swimming. Okay. In the evening, we'll see the sunset, a little higher, and take beautiful photos. Okay. So I've connected two sentences. I've used and to connect two sentences to make one sentence. Okay, and this is really useful to improve your English, to use these words to make longer sentences. Okay, you can say, then we'll have a barbecue. Barbecue. We'll sing, dance, and have a lot of fun. So instead of like we'll sing and dance, I used a comma here because I wanted to make a longer sentence. So I said, we'll sing, dance, and have a lot of fun. What about you? Okay, so these things can help you a lot. All right, let me read one more time without stopping. Question is, what will you do on the weekend? The answer is, on the weekend, I'll go to the beach. I'll go there by car with my friends. We'll go for a boat ride. Also, we'll go fishing and swimming. In the evening, we'll see the sunset and take beautiful photos. Then we'll have a barbecue. We'll sing, dance, and have a lot of fun. What about you? Okay? So keep practicing, and I hope you'll improve your English. I'll be back with another lesson. Take care. Bye bye.